Alright, so one of the things that this said is that in order to install the side chute, you need to put a mulcher in there, which will line up just like that. So you have to have this in. You have those little tabs like that. You have to have this in right here in order to use the side blade. So the side blade, to install it, you lift right here, you line up this tab, and this should hook in as such. There we go. Alright, so inside of here, you have your plug-in for your battery, but you also have a storage spot so you can have a second battery in there. It won't power it or anything. However, when that one dies, you can just swap them out real quick. Alright, so this is the 20-inch blade, which came with a 40-volt battery that is 6 amp hours, and it came with the fast charger. It says it runs up to 45 minutes, and it says it's comparable to a 150cc gas mower. In order to start this when it's time, it should just be simply pulling this and pushing that button. To adjust your handlebars forward, you'll just simply flip this, and you'll flip forward, or you'll flip this, and if it's backwards, you'll just flip it up. Adjusting your height on this thing is as simple as this. See, you can go up pretty high too, which is nice.